The little ant was very small, but he was hardworking and brave. His best friend was Mouse. Ant and Mouse lived together in a small hut near the forest. Their hut was simple, but it was full of love, peace, and happiness. Every morning, Ant cleaned the hut and arranged the little things nicely. Mouse went out to bring grains, fruits, and dry leaves. In the evening, they sat together, ate their food, and talked about their dreams. One day, the sky became dark, and a strong wind started blowing. Soon, heavy rain began to fall. The trees moved wildly, and the wind became stronger and stronger. Ant and Mouse became afraid and stayed close together inside the hut. Suddenly, the roof flew away, and the walls broke down. Their small hut was destroyed by the storm. Ant felt very sad, and Mouse looked worried, but they did not lose hope. Ant said, "We should not cry, my friend. We can build our home again." Mouse smiled and said, "Yes, together we are strong." The next morning they started working. Ant carried tiny leaves, small sticks, and dry grass. Mouse brought mud, branches, and useful things from nearby. They worked with patience, love, and hard work from morning to evening. Sometimes they became tired, but they did not stop. Step by step, their new hut became stronger, cleaner, and more beautiful than before. At last, the hut was ready. Ant and Mouse looked at their new home with joy in their hearts. They learned that love, patience, and hard work can solve every problem. This story teaches us that we should never lose hope, because with true friendship and hard work, we can build happiness again.